Introducing the NOCO GB500 Jump Starter, the ultimate solution for battery emergencies and portable power. Inside the case, you'll find everything you need to tackle the toughest challenges, from personal vehicles to industrial machinery. NOCO has you covered. Here we have the accessory kit, which includes the GBC004 Boost Max 24-inch AWC connectors, ensuring safe and reliable connections for any situation. Keep everything secure and organized with the rugged GBC016 protective carrying case built to withstand tough environments. There is a convenient Velcro opening to display the GB500 while inside the carrying case. Pouches are found on the side for storage. There is a side compartment to display the light while keeping it protected inside its case. You can find the soft carrying case and shoulder strap easily inside the top compartment. Starting off with the accessories, we have the 56-watt XGC power adapter. Here we have the XGC 12-volt female and male adapter. Now we have the XGC extension cable connectors to provide versatile charging and connection options. The GB500 Plus Lithium Battery Jump Starter delivers a massive 6,250 amps, capable of jump-starting gasoline and diesel engines up to 45 liters and 16 cylinders. The GB500 Plus also features a 400-lumen LED flashlight with multiple modes, including emergency strobe and SOS. On the side, you can find the two 12-volt plugs to connect the clamps. The NOCO GB500 Plus, professional-grade performance, exceptional durability, and peace of mind when you need it the most.
Interested in the GB500? Shop online at batterymark.com.